Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. So I will show the technique how to answer. In this situation we can use about integration by parts. So we got about u and dv. U that's about s square. So we will got about du equals to 2s ds, dv equals to sine 2s ds. So we can go about v equals to 1 over 2 cosine 2s, and because that's is cosine we need to put about the negative. Now we need to get the u and v. U multiply with v, so you got about s square multiply with negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s. We have 0 and p over 2. Because we have the negative, so we have the positive near the integral. Two and 1 over 2 they will eliminate, so we got about s cosine 2s ds. In this one we can find the answer. That's about p over 2 over 8. Now we continue do about integration by parts again. So in this situation we have s and they will ds, and we have cosine, so we change to cosine in here. We have change to this one, and this is about sine 2s. S multiply with sine 2s with 1 over 2. And we have the negative. The integral from 0 to b over 2. We put 1 over 2 outside, and now we just have sine 2s ds. We need to find the answer this one. So this one they got about the 0. This one you got about 1 over 4. And we have cosine 2s. In this situation we put about the positive. And now we put about 0 and p over 2. here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.